Microsoft Surface, stuck in a loop. I can't get any further than this. Tried recovery, tried everything. So the next thing to do is create a USB restore disk. To do that, you have to have a Microsoft account, and you have to go to this area here, image Surface. If you can see that, I'll copy that link and put it in the description down below. You will eventually end up at this page. I'm just doing a quick one, and then here it says select your product, so you'll click on that, and I'm going on to the RT. It says then you put your serial number in, which I've previously done, and then continue, and then you will get to this page where it tells you exactly what it is, so you'll know what it is. A Surface 3 64 gig, which is correct, Windows 10 version 1511. And then you will click on download image. Okay, if it doesn't download, in the top corner here you might have a pop-up blocker. You can see that up there, and then you'll click that and say allow. Okay, then what will happen is it'll start downloading, which will be here, which is what you're looking at there. Okay, so I'll let that download. In the meantime, we close this page down a little bit. What you need to do is you need to click on, I've got a blank one anyway, but you'll need to click on, you need to put a 8 gig, minimum 8 gig, USB thumb drive or pen drive, whatever you want to call them. We call them USB stick, whatever. And then you want to right click. You need to format it. You need to format it at FAT32. It must be FAT32. And then you want to sort of volume label, default allocation size, click on that, click start, warning, so you make sure you don't want anything on there, that you've got anything on there, wait a few seconds, format complete, click OK to that, close that down, and then we'll wait now for the download to be complete. So we'll just click on that there. So we're not far off now. Okay, so I'll talk to you once it's downloaded, which it has there. If you just click on it, which happens on mine, this is Windows 7, I think it'll do it anybody's, and you can extract, and we're going to extract it directly to removable drive E, and then OK. There you go. So we'll come back to that in a second. Okay, because it's going to USB, it's going to be a little bit slow, so that's going to take a while. So it's just finishing copying across. It should be all on there. So we'll close that, grab the stick. Okay, all I've done now is just drop the USB stick in. I haven't told it to do anything at the moment, so we'll just wait and see if anything happens. Nothing at the moment. Also, I've held down the power button, I turned it off, held the plus volume down and the power button. We'll just see what happens. Remember, this was absolutely dead. Well, hey, there we go. And there you go. English, United Kingdom. USB device, USB. Sorry about the reflection. Okay, let's just see what happens. It might be still stuck in a loop. Sorry about the reflection on this, but they've damaged the power unit as well, so I'm keeping it flat so it still charges. So we're back where we started again. Try again. USB. Not getting very far. This time I'm going to choose, I choose advanced options on the last page. I'll just show you. Go back, so I troubleshoot. I'm going to say recover from a drive this time. See what happens. Getting things ready. Sorry about that, it's a bit blurred. There you go. I'll pause for a sec. Next page comes up. Clean the drive fully. Recover. And we're back to that. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go, 1% now. I left this for 24 hours. It didn't get past the 1%, so this will be interesting to see what happens. I'll come back in a sec. Okay, so it looks like we could be in business. It's gone from 1% to 33%. That was pretty good. Like I said, 43, so yeah. Looks like the USB, well, it's not even reading from the USB drive at the moment by the look of it. Oh, it is. Yes, it is. Sorry, my fault. Not looking properly. And then this comes up, so I've pressed F12. Nothing's happened yet. At the moment. The hard drive's still whizzing. Well, this USB stick is still going.
USB hard drives we use as SSD.
Okay, so we've just done that and she's now rebooted. So on the last page I clicked F12 to clear the TPM. I think it was called TPM, temporary blah, blah, blah. Anyway, so that's what it is, and this is now up to 50% getting things ready. So it looks like we're in business with a bit of luck. Alright, okay. Sorry about the reflection. It's one ugly git in the window. I can't help that. It doesn't matter. Okay, so it's rebooted now for the third time. So hello there. Let's get a few basic things right. So, right. So that, United Kingdom, United Kingdom, United Kingdom, Lisbon. Next. Alright, you have to agree to all the legal stuff. Hold on one sec. Next. Okay, use express settings. Just a moment, we've all had this bit before, so it looks like we're done with a bit of luck. Hi. We're happy that you're here. So it has done. So conclusion is 16 gig memory stick. Format it using FAT32 file system. Okay, download the appropriate software that you need from Microsoft site for whichever tablet you're deciding to upgrade or fix. In this case it was the Surface RT. So I've done that. I will put that in a link in the description down below, so you should be able to go straight to that page. I hope this helped somebody, and if you enjoyed the video, could you do a thumbs up, subscribe and share. Thanks very much, take care, and oh, wait a minute, just a moment, just to make sure it's finishing off. Yeah, so we're there. I can't go any further with this. I can skip it. For the simple reason is the person this belongs to, let her set it up because it's in a school. So yeah, we're there. We're done. Thanks very much. Like I said, if you give us a thumbs up and share, that would be great. Take care. See you in the next vid.